Steve Harris, NRC, and this RGT 1/16 scale crawler, the 136161, just came in, dropped in from Banggood.com, courtesy of Banggood. Thanks a lot for shipping this out to me to showcase on my channel. Here it is, guys. I unboxed it already because I want to get out the door and take it for a trail run. Just want to show you real quick. It's really nice looking. It's got working lights in the front and rear. The mirrors unfold. Let me take the body off for you real quick. You can see all the lights in it. Has a 370 motor. Has a gear reduction right there, another unit. And it also has a Hobby Wing ESC, Dean's plug. What else it got? Oil shocks. The tires soft with foams in them. Here's what the bottom looks like. It also has a 3-wire servo here. This it's not one of them 5-wire jobbers, so that's nice. Let me put the lid on really quick. Here's the radio. It's really nice. It's got 3-channel switch over there, and it has a channel 4 switch to turn the lights on and off, hazard warnings. And inside here it has the steering trim, throttle trim, steering endpoint adjustment, and the throttle endpoint adjustment. Feels really nice, this radio. This one here, guys, has all metal gears, full ball bearings. You see right there. I have the 1/24th scale, you guys know, and I love that thing, so this should be more capable. We'll see when we get it out on the trail. Has the 25 amp BSE and a 17 gram servo. It comes with a NIM pack, 7.2 volt, 1100 milliamp. So I'll show you how it runs on the trail. But here's what it came with. It came with an extra body mount posts, a few extra clips, and some shock spacers that are in my pocket ready to go for the mountain. Comes with the charger for the battery. Really nice instructions for the radio here. And a really good instruction manual for the truck. This tells you everything. Shows every part. Let me open this beauty up. Exploded views. Really good job with this manual. There's the 1100 milliamp NIM pack, and it velcros right in. It's a 6L. And I'm going to turn it on really quick. I'm going to put the body on just to show you the functions of the lights in this thing. They're pretty cool. Alright, on the radio here, there's this switch here, channel 3 switch. If you press that, hazards come on, front and rear. And also, you could use this button here when you turn the channel 4 switch. You turn that 1 notch, you'll get the blinking lights. And then the steering, when you steer, the blinker comes on in the rear and on the front when you use the any mode. Now I'm going to put it in another mode here. The lights stay on all the time when you turn. Blinkers go on front and rear. And now you could use these hazard lights along with that. If you press the button, they'll be blinking with the lights on. Or if you use the other mode here, it wants to go in the mountain. Or if you use the other mode like this, you could use the blinker hazards on all the time if you want. They're always flashing front and rear. Now if you shut that off, alright, I'll put the lights on all the time.